What's up, my pugnios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to finally share with you guys the iPhone 15 Pro Max Aspen case from the folks at Andar. I opted into the caramel tan as well as the moss green, and I think they look beautiful. What's unique about Andar is that they have a quality first mentality. They source leather from the highest quality grade here. They tan it to perfection and it looks perfect and will patina over time. With that said here, I really love how they wrap it around the entire phone, which is something that most leather phone cases don't do nowadays. Apple used to do it and now they don't, and so picking up something like the Aspen from Andar is great to be able to do. What's unique here is they have a microfiber lining on the inside, the N95 magnets here for Magsafe support, and the best part about it here is they use these anodized aluminum buttons here for your action button, volume rocker, and power buttons. These are made of such high quality products, including a core of polycarbonate material that acts as an insulation and protection in the event of a mishap. With that said, Andar did sponsor this video and provide these cases to me complimentary. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. If you use my code TechInfluence at checkout, you'll be able to get 15% off not only the cases, you got your watch bands as well as wallets, purses, backpacks, you name it. With that said, let's go over this premium product here and show you what you're getting yourself into. My titanium black is very, very brittle, which is unfortunate. A lot of other YouTubers have tested it out, and having something like the Aspen is super crucial to be able to protect against that. In the box here, you've got this fun little coupon if you want to save or check out more of their latest releases. And then they have such a sleek presentation here, showing off such high quality leather and workmanship. I love the moss. It's one of my favorite colors, but that caramel tan is also something that just pops. Pulling them out for the first time, it smells so good. It smells like I've walked into, somewhere where they tan or work leather, and it just looks great in the hand and it's sleek to the touch. Coming up close here, as you can see, it's lined with that microfiber material. You've got the tanning that wraps all the way around the phone, and then the Magsafe that's built into it. You can see the microfiber material is super soft and high quality. The leather is just perfectly tanned and stretched all the way around the phone. Coming up to the camera, you have a nice little bump here to be able to protect. It's made out of a TPU material. You got the anodized buttons here. These ones are darker here, more of like a coffee or a charcoal color. And then all the way around the edge here, you've got that leather wrapped around. I really like here, they've got the punch outs, which is for the I/O. Coming up the front here, on the other side, you've got your power button, which is nice and clicky. I really like that. Let's look at the moss color here and see what you're getting yourself into. Similarly, it's full grain leather. As you can see, that grain is nice and it just feels super soft to the touch. It will patina over time and just look fantastic in your pocket. The buttons are nice and clicky and robust. Punch outs, microfiber material matches the moss color, and you've got your You've obviously got your Magsafe in there as well. Let's go and throw the phone case on there for the first time. As you can see here, the buttons are nice and clicky. They do protrude out a little bit more once you get your phone there, which is cool. I really like this. It's nice and soft to the touch, and it's super clicky. Nomad had a hard time with their buttons, which I didn't like. I really like how the leather is wrapped around, and you can see that it is one seamless piece of leather. Can't wait to see what this looks like as it patinas. You still have access to all the rest of the I/O. And what's nice here is it does give you enough lip on the bezel here to be able to protect against a fall, so it doesn't scratch your screen and it won't push up against your screen protector, which is nice. Let's swap over here to the caramel tan. Caramel tan is also super sleek as well. It matches a nice rugged pair of jeans and it's just super comfortable in the hand. I really like that. Full grain leather. Buttons are super clicky as well and just gives such a sleek, robust, rugged look. I love that. Dang. If you wanted to opt into something that helps, on your travels, having something like this 621 5000 milliamp battery from Anker is a go-to and is a must. On my desk, I usually have this charging pad. This is the base from the folks at Nomad. I'm going to throw it on there and it charges up to 15 watts. If you wanted to have something that matches your active lifestyle, vlogging, content creation, having something like this from ShiftCam, this is their SnapGrip. It's my go-to and it's not going to go anywhere. What's nice about this here is you have access to a 5000 1000 milliamp battery as well that charge. You've got a shutter button, which is really, really cool. You've got an extra light, accessories here that can slip off from the magnetic. You've also got your tripod mount if that's something you're interested in as well. With that said, Pungios, don't hesitate here. These things go fast. This is from the folks at Andar. They did give this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Please use Tech Influence down below in the links to get yourself 15% off your first order, and it does help out me. With that said, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. I'm hyped to have this moss and caramel tan color. Hopefully you guys are excited too. Let me know what you get down in the comments down below as well. With that said, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.